Here's our 2024 Hong Kong itineraries. It's actually our third day here in Hong Kong and samahan niyo muna kaming mag-brunch before we start our activities. We're in Jollibee Causeway Bay and we ordered 2-piece chicken cost around 88 Hong Kong dollars with rice and drinks. Though it's Jollibee, pero nandun yung Chinese style ng chicken niya. And sulit guys, hindi tinipid sa chicken at rice. After our brunch, we're here to our next stop. We just took the MTR going to Diamond Hill and from there, walking distance na lang itong ating next na pupuntahan, which is the Nanlian Garden. One thing na na-realize namin sa transportation here in Hong Kong is hindi siya ganun ka-complicated and most of the time talaga magwo-walk kayo, which is healthy naman and hindi naman hassle since marami rin kayong makikita. By the way, nandito rin pala ang Chilin Nunnery. Let's enter the Nanlian Garden. Yes guys, no entrance fee here and if you just want a relaxing place to visit, isama nyo to sa itinerary nyo. Just a piece of advice if you're about to visit places like this, to stay silent, especially if you will enter temples to show respect to the place and to the people around. So this is the area where you can wander around. Very peaceful, calm, maraming puno and halaman. So there are also other tourists visiting the place. Our next stop, the Choi Hang Estate or Rainbow Building. From Nanlian, nagbus lang kami going here, about less than 10 minutes. This is a housing facility and we just took photos here to highlight the Rainbow Building background. Maganda rin siyang puntahan guys since malapit lang naman siya sa Nanlian Garden. From Choi Hang Estate, we decided to take a taxi going to Kowloon Walled City. Medyo pricey yung naging fare guys since malayo din yata siya. Pero para kasi hassle-free and hindi na rin maging time-consuming and makapag-relax kami sa biyahe, kaya nag-taxi na kami. This is also a free entrance fee place. Sinama namin to sa itinerary namin kasi historical place din tong Kowloon Walls. And since famous ang Kowloon dito sa Hong Kong. Sinulit na rin namin na makapagpahinga muna dito dahil nakatulog na rin si Noah. And meron pa kasi kami isang pupuntahan which is the Pit Tram. From Kowloon, nag-bus na kami and around 1 hour din yung naging travel time. Comfortable and nakapagpahinga naman kami sa biyahe. After that, naglakad na. So ito yung naging view. Ang ganda ng mga buildings nila, yung bus. And that familiar sound when crossing the streets here in Hong Kong. Alam nyo yan guys. So parang medyo malayo-layo rin pala yung lalakarin. Pero may mga signages naman, kaya hindi naman kayo malito. And mostly talaga dito yung punta ng mga tao, especially the tourists. Hindi nyo talaga to dapat palampasin, yung activity na to. So we booked it via Klook. Libre dito yung 2 years old and below. So, yun siya. Buti na lang may travelator. Yan. Hi, fam! Diba? Ang dami din talagang tao. Pero, marami rin kasing kayang i-accommodate yung tram. Kaya, mabilis din namang masakay. And, hindi naman matagal maghihintay sa At this point, medyo naiinip na si Noah. Siguro kasi pagod na rin siya dahil diretso yung naging activities. Kaya nililibang ko na siya na ayan na yung train. Ayan na yung train. Anyway, ayan na talaga yung train guys. So, itong naging picture activity namin, parang pa-sunset siya guys. So, hapon pa to, around 5 p.m. Kaya, ayan yung view niya. And mamaya pababa, maganda rin yung magiging view natin kasi gabi naman. So, at least nakita natin yung view pag medyo maaga pa, maliwanag. And yung view pagka gabi na, which is madaming ilaw. Later, makikita niyo. And now, ito, mag-escalator na tayo going to the Hong Kong's highest viewing terrace, which is the Sky Terrace 422. Ayan ulit ang aking fan.
Hello. Kita mo ng buong Kong.
Ayan siya guys, diba? Kitang-kita nyo talaga ang Hong Kong dito sa taas. And ang lamig-lamig dito guys. Ayan. Ang dami rin talagang tourists or nag-visit dito. And ayan, maganda rin mag-picture-picture. Ayan, gaya ng sabi ko sa inyo, pa-sunset na to. So ito yung sa parang may area doon na pwede kayong kumain. Kami medyo nag-light snack lang kami. And then ito pababa naman na kami. Ayan yung view guys na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Pababa.
Ay, no.
So that's our final activity to wrap up our third day here in Hong Kong. Dumaan lang din kami dito sa may Pop Mart para bumili ng souvenir. Nakabili si brother ng Marvel something na souvenir dito sa may Pop Mart. Morning y'all! Yes, ganyan talaga kataas ng energy, especially that our next stop is Disneyland. Of course, we can't miss to visit the Hong Kong Disneyland and this train going there with the Mickey Mouse head window. Right now, we're inside the shuttle going to Disney's Hollywood Hotel where we are staying. Free ito going back and forth to Disneyland and alin dun sa tatlong hotel inside Disneyland. Ayan yung view niya guys. Very advisable ito kung may bata, lalo na kung pinakahinihintay kasi natin yung fireworks and medyo late na rin siya natatapos. At least malapit-lapit yung uuwian. And nagustuhan kasi namin na may experience dito yung Marvel type na ring, which is a fun experience and unforgettable. Siguro mag-upload na lang ako ng separate na parang hotel and room tour for this accommodation. Ayan. Pero right now, punta na lang muna ulit tayo sa Disneyland.
Nawa, come here.
So, pakita na lang din namin yung ilan sa mga naging rides and activities namin inside.
Go.
We also booked this via Klook. And free din si Noah dito.
Nawa.
Ayan, nakita niyo, sobrang enjoy din na Noah. Guys, one of the best dito sa Arundel, kung saan nandito yung sa Frozen na ride, na sobrang nakaka-enjoy talaga and nakaka-surprise yung ride. So, guys, kahit medyo may pila, go kayo dito. Ayan, si Ola. Hi, Ola.
Hola. Wow. Hi, Elsa.
And dahil pa Christmas na din, merong stage show sila Mickey and Friends. Sa bandang hapon yan, nandyan sila Donald Duck, Daisy Duck, Minnie, Mickey, Pluto, Goofy.
And the thing that'll make them ring is the carol that you sing like within your heart. Snow as a fairy tale they say. He was made of snow, but the children know how it came to life one day. Just happened some magic in a little simplified. When he placed it on his head, he began to dance around.
Luckily, nadaanan namin yung pa-meet and greet ni Daisy Duck and sobrang silly and funny ni Daisy. And she's so sweet. Hinug niya din kami ni Noah. By the way guys, may kasamang popcorn and ice cream and tickets. Share ko dito. Ayan guys, pakita ko na lang yung mga clips inside the Disneyland. Sunny day, pero hindi mainit guys, hindi ramdam. Malamig naman siya guys, kasi ang lamig naman din talaga dito sa Hong Kong. And especially na November to, so hindi talaga ramdam yung sunlight. Whatever. Anyway, so kasama sa tickets na inavail namin ay ang meals. So, dun yun sa may banquet hall. And para hindi kayo mahirapang hanapin, malapit lang siya sa castle. And pwede kayong mamili kung anong type of cuisine yung prefer nyo. So far, yung naging food namin, 10/10, masarap guys. Ayan, ito pala yung first ride namin, yung Mystic Manor guys. Maganda, sobrang ganda dito. Yan yung una namin pinuntahan. And
I was just looking for... Oh, there's the music box I told you.
siguro ma-observe nyo guys na may mga lines sa mga rides. Actually, oo, pero ang bilis lang din kasi ng movement. So, kahit na pumila kayo, saglit lang yun. Ayan, as an MCU fan, isa din to sa may enjoy nyo yung mga Marvel stuff dito, like itong kay Tony Stark. And ito guys, last ride na namin to, Winnie the Pooh. Before the fireworks, siningit namin kasi para kay Noah. So, actually before din pala ng fireworks, nag-dinner muna kami dito sa Tahitian Terrace. Kaya nandiyan naman kung magkano yung nagastos namin. Medyo hindi ako fan ng ganitong pagkain. Pero nabusog naman din at nakain ko naman siya. Okay naman din siya. Depende rin sa trip nyo na.
Hindi ba ang
For the much-awaited show na punong-puno ng magic, lights, ang ganda ng music, very Disney, very pang-family talaga guys. Talagang wag nyo tong palalampasin, tapusin nyo hanggat kaya. Go guys and enjoy the moment.
So I'm so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. The spark between us can't.
Now guys, pahinga na muna and we're here at Disney's Hollywood Hotel para matulog na rin ang pagpahinga since bukas may last itinerary pa kami which is yung Ngongping.
speechless? Speak to the
Hi bebe! Now for our last day, the Ngongping 360. So from Disneyland Resort line to Sunny Bay to Tung Chung, MTR lang guys. And then walking distance na lang itong sa may Ngongping 360 cable car para makapunta tayo dito sa Ngongping Village. We also booked this via Klook. Ilalagay ko na lang dito yung price niya. Crystal cabin yung binook namin. The other one is the standard cabin. Pero I recommend yung crystal na yung i-book nyo since mas maganda yung view. Pagkita nyo pati yung iba. So ito siya guys. I'll show some of the views here. Ayan si Noah. Nag-e-enjoy siya, diba? Talagang nakatingin siya. Pero ako medyo may fear of heights kasi ako. So, ayun. Pero okay naman siya guys. Ang taas lang kasi talaga. And medyo matagal talaga yung biyahe. Noah, wow! Diba? Tumuturo-turo pa si Noah. So, nandiyan din ang parentals. Magkakatabi kami. Parang 8 packs yung sakay nito. So, since 4 kami plus si Noah, and then may parang 3 pa kami kasama. Yung si mother, tapos si tatay. So, diba? Appreciate and focus on the view. After the cable car ride, dito na tayo sa Ngongping Village. Nandito yung Chantan Buddha, guys. So, pwede nyo yung akyatin. Ako kasi hindi na kami umakyat sin Sinoa nga. Nahihirapan ako siya. Pero si brother, si tatay, ayun, nakita nyo naman marami ding shops na pwedeng mapagbilan ng pasalubong. And malamig din dito guys nga pala ha, malamig dito. Sobrang hangin. Mataas din kasi dito. Ayan, so as you can see, nandito din yung temples, yung Pauline Monastery na. And after this, magbabas na kami pabalik. Isa na lang yung pupuntahan namin. So, ito yon yung Avenue of Stars, yung Hong Kong Museum. Ayan, nandito yan. Saglit na lang din kasi kami dito after babalik na kami sa hotel. Check out then to airport. So, that's it guys for our Hong Kong itinerary. Bye!